My name is Rachel. Today I'm going to teach you how I cut and sew this my raglan. I'm working with drafted basic sleeve pattern, basic bodies front pattern, and here is the back. To achieve raglan sleeve, the first thing we are going to do is to measure from the upper arm at the shoulder down towards the armhole. You place your tape rule and measure the midway. This is 11, so the half of this shoulder will be 5 and a half. I've marked it. From this 5 and a half, I will mark it. Then it depends on where you intend to cut the sleeve with the basic body. But as for me, I'm going to mark 2 and a half. I think 2 and a half or 2 is okay. I'm marking 2 and a half. So from here I will connect the 2 points together. But I will slightly connect it. It won't be a sort of move down from away from the line like 1/8. That way. I will do same at the back. At the back, I will mark mid of the armhole. Then here I will move down 2 and a half. Then I will connect the lines together. But I will slightly move away from the line like 2/8 in a coffee manner. So here is the line that I'm going to cut out now. So let me first of all cut the front. So that is the front, and this is the sleeve. So I will name this front F. So our basic sleeve too has both front and back. So I will place this. At the front. I'll place this at the front. Then let me cut out the back too. Here is the back of the sleeve. Then so that there won't be mix up, I will number this B. So to avoid mixing up of the sleeve, don't forget that this is the neck, part of the neck of the back, and here is part of the neck at the front. This is the shoulder line. This is the shoulder line. This shoulder line will flow along with the center line of the sleeve this way, and the back too will flow along too with the back side. And I'm going to use paper tape to place or hold down the sleeve with the shoulder, which I have cut off from the bodies. So I will use this to hold it down slightly. Hold it down slightly. So I have successfully transferred the two together by using the paper tape. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to set this aside and bring out the basic body sleeve or the material that I'm going to use to testron the pattern. So it is time for us to testron our pattern. The first pink at the right hand is the back, while the next one to it is the front, which I have used pink material to cut. But for the top to stand out, I use two fabric. So the left hand side is the sleeve of the top. If you notice, there is a space at the front, which is the opening at the shoulder. So if you want that, you can leave it, but as for me, I need that, so I will close up the space to form that at the shoulder. So I'm using two fabric so that it can come out nice. At the front, you see a sort of rectangular shape, and for the band of the sleeve, because I want a sort of long sleeve. And if you notice, the sleeve, I extended it beyond the pattern which I drafted, so I want it to come out like a long sleeve. After the sewing, I'll show you the outcome.